Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is, as usual, still Simon. And today we're going to be opening another box of Flesh and Blood Heavy Hitters. The last one was pretty good, I heard. If you haven't seen the video, go watch it. And without further ado, let's dig right in and hope we get some cool cards, as usual. The cool paper boosters. So let's see what we get this time. We get a Stacked in Your Favor, a Fatal Engagement, and an Evo Magneto. For the card that's not going with the theme of Warrior, Guardian and Brute of the set. But they put it in so that you still have to get it if you want cards for your favorite character. But of course, as usual, buying singles is an option. And we get a Kaio, Armed and Dangerous, and this time not the marvelous Marvel version. So, let's continue. 24 packs, as usual. We get a Stonewall Impasse, Pack Call, then a foil performance bonus. Let's move on. See what else we get. Get a Rawhide Rumble, a Lay Down the Law, and a foil Bonebreaker Bellow. And then the tokens. On to the next one we go. Where we get a Wage Gold, a Trance, Majestic Rare, a Starting Stake for our foil, and that's it here. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we get. A Reinforce the Line, a Tenacity, Majestic yet again, a foil Rising Speed, and that's it here. And on to the next pack we go. Where we have a Fatal Engagement, a Knucklehead, a foil performance bonus, and that's it here. And on to the next one we go. No time is being wasted here. We get a Clash of Agility, a Fatal Engagement, a foil Clash of Vigor. Like this foiling effect where not everything is foil. Just makes it look cooler. On to the next one we go. We have a Clash of Agility, a Pack Call, and a foil Lead with Power. On to the next one we go. Where we get a Mini Meat X, a Clash of Might, a foil Wage Might, and that's it here. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we get. We get a Clash of Might, a Test of Vigor, and a foil Wage Agility. And we have our cold foil of the box. It's a Ball Breaker. Yeah, the cold foil effect is always a bit difficult to catch on camera, so I just have to believe my word. On to the next pack we go. We will get an over the top, a hearty block, and a foil Pound Town. Ooh, and we get an Apex Bonebreaker, legendary equipment for Brute. As usual, I will of course sleeve some cards right immediately after the opening, so don't worry about that. On to the next one we go. We get a Beast Mode, we get Down but Not Out, and a foil Engaged Swiftblade. And that's it here. On to the next pack we go. Where we get a Cut the Deck, Down but Not Out, and a foil Pack Call. On to the next one we go, without any delay. We get a Test of Agility, a Hot Streak, and a foil Over the Top. And on to the next pack. We'll get a Take the Upper Hand, a Rawhide Rumble, and a foil Concuss. And the next pack. What do we get? A Reinforce the Line, No Fear, Majestic, and a foil Pound Town. And on to the next one we go. We'll get a Slap Happy, a Golden Sun Majestic, and a foil Engaged Swiftblade. Still a few packs left, but not too many. Let's see what else we get. We get a Clash of Vigor, a Stacked in Your Favor, and a foil Concuss. And that's it here. On to the next pack we go. Where we get a Down but Not Out, a Colossal Bearing, the foil Vigorous Wind Up. On to the next pack we go. We'll get a Clash of Agility, a Parry Blade, a foil Funk, and that's it here. So now we're down to the last 3 packs. Surely exciting things await us in those. Or maybe not. That's also fine. We get a Take It on the Chin, a Pack Call, and a foil Vigorous Engagement. For this pack, second to last pack, Let's see what we get. We get a Beast Mode, a Clash of Might, a Show No Mercy, Majestic Rainbow Foil. And that's it here. And we're down to the last pack. So let's see what the last one holds. We get a Wage Gold, we get a Test of Might, and a foil Rising Power. And that's it. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I'll be seeing you at the next one.